Here are Grandma's 29 plus brilliant life hacks you need to try. Poor man's Parmesan. Are you in need of a budget-friendly alternative to Parmesan cheese? Try making poor man's Parmesan using breadcrumbs, just like Grandma did. Start by toasting breadcrumbs in a skillet over medium heat until they are golden brown and fragrant. For added flavor, mix in a pinch of garlic powder, salt, and dried Italian herbs like oregano or basil. Once toasted, let the breadcrumbs cool and then sprinkle them over pasta, salads, or roasted vegetables. This simple substitute adds a delicious crunch and savory taste, mimicking the texture and flavor of grated Parmesan. Remove grease from Tupperware with a paper towel. Struggling with greasy Tupperware? Use dish soap and a kitchen towel to easily remove grease. Before washing, add a few drops of dish soap and a kitchen towel inside the container. Close the Tupperware securely and shake it vigorously. The combination of the soap and the towel will help break down and absorb the grease. Once you've shaken it for a bit, open the container, remove the towel, and rinse out the soap. Cinnamon for ant control. Have you tried using cinnamon to keep ants at bay? Sprinkle ground cinnamon around entry points where ants invade your home, such as doorways, windowsills, and baseboards. The strong scent of cinnamon disrupts their scent trails, deterring them from entering. For added effectiveness, you can also create a barrier by applying cinnamon oil around these areas. Use onion or garlic mesh bags as pot scrubbers. Repurpose onion or garlic mesh bags into effective pot scrubbers. Cut the mesh bag into smaller pieces and scrunch them up into a ball. The rough texture is perfect for scrubbing off stubborn food residues and grease from pots and pans without scratching the surfaces. These DIY scrubbers are durable and can be used multiple times before disposal. Prevent sugar clumps with rice. Tired of clumpy sugar? Prevent sugar clumps by adding a few grains of uncooked rice to your sugar container. The rice absorbs moisture that causes sugar to clump, keeping it dry and free-flowing. Make sure to use a small amount of rice and wrap it in an empty tea bag so it doesn't mix with the sugar. Feed banana peel to tomato plants. Boost your tomato plants' growth by feeding them banana peels, same as how Grandma did it. Chop up banana peels and bury them in the soil near the base of your tomato plants. As the peels decompose, they release essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which promote healthy growth and fruit production. Vinegar and eggshell for cleaning bottles. Need an effective way to clean bottles? Use vinegar and crushed eggshells. Fill the bottle halfway with a mixture of equal parts water and vinegar. Add a handful of crushed eggshells to the bottle. Shake vigorously for a few minutes. The abrasive eggshells will scrub away grime and residue, while the vinegar disinfects and removes odors. Rinse thoroughly with water after shaking. This method is perfect for cleaning narrow-neck bottles and containers, leaving them spotless and fresh. Easily identify your keys with nail polish. Make your keys easily identifiable with nail polish. Paint the top of each key with a different color of nail polish to create a unique, color-coded system. Let the polish dry completely before using the keys. This simple trick helps you quickly find the right key, saving time and frustration. You can also use clear nail polish to seal the paint and make it last longer. Use a blow dryer to remove price tag stickers. Struggling with stubborn price tag stickers? Use a blow dryer to remove them effortlessly. Aim the blow dryer at the sticker and apply heat for 30 to 60 seconds. The heat softens the adhesive, making it easier to peel off the sticker without leaving a residue. Once heated, use your fingers or a plastic scraper to gently lift the edge of the sticker and peel it away. This method works well on various surfaces, including glass, plastic, and metal. Lemon juice to prevent fruit browning. Keep cut fruit fresh and prevent browning with lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over sliced apples, pears, bananas, or avocados. The citric acid in the lemon juice slows down the oxidation process, keeping the fruit looking fresh and appetizing. Use a brush or your fingers to ensure all surfaces are coated. Alternatively, you can dilute lemon juice with water and dip the fruit slices in the solution. This simple trick helps maintain the fruit's natural color and flavor, making it perfect for salads, snacks, and party platters. Use a cheese grater to destem herbs. Did you know that you can use a cheese grater to quickly destem herbs? Simply pull the herb stems through the holes of the grater, stripping the leaves off in the process. This method works particularly well with rosemary, thyme, and other woody herbs. Deter slugs with beer. Keep slugs out of your garden by using beer as a deterrent. Bury a shallow dish or jar lid in your garden soil, making sure the rim is level with the ground. Fill the dish with beer and leave it overnight. Slugs are attracted to the beer, crawl in, and drown. Replace the beer every few days to maintain its effectiveness. This natural and cost-effective method helps protect your plants from slugs without the use of harmful chemicals. Squash peeling and cutting hack. Make peeling and cutting squash easier by using a vegetable peeler and the rocking knife technique. Start by peeling the squash with a vegetable peeler to remove the tough outer skin. Then use a large, sharp knife to cut the squash. Instead of forcing the knife through, rock it back and forth to create a sawing motion. This technique requires less effort and reduces the risk of injury. Wax paper as a funnel. Do you need a funnel in a pinch? Use wax paper. Cut a piece of wax paper and roll it into a cone shape, leaving a small opening at the tip. Secure the cone with tape if needed. Use this makeshift funnel to transfer liquids or dry ingredients into containers without spilling. Wax paper is sturdy enough to handle various substances and can be easily discarded after use. Use petroleum jelly to remove Band-Aids painlessly. Remove Band-Aids painlessly by using petroleum jelly. Grandma would apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly around the edges of the Band-Aid and let it sit for a few minutes. The jelly will loosen the adhesive, making it easier to peel off without pulling on the skin. This method is especially helpful for children or anyone with sensitive skin. By using petroleum jelly, you can make Band-Aid removal a more comfortable and stress-free experience. Milk and vinegar glue. To make a simple homemade glue, heat 1 cup of milk in a saucepan until warm, then stir in 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Once the milk curdles, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the curds from the whey. Discard the whey and return the curds to the saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a small amount of water, stirring until the mixture reaches a smooth, glue-like consistency. Shaving cream to remove laundry stains. Do you need a quick solution for laundry stains? Use shaving cream. Apply a small amount of shaving cream directly to the stain and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Gently rub the area with a soft cloth or brush, then rinse with cold water. The foaming action of the shaving cream helps lift the stain from the fabric. This method works well on a variety of stains, including grease, makeup, and food. After treating the stain, launder the item as usual to ensure it's completely clean. Debone a rotisserie chicken with Ziploc. Are you looking for an easy way to debone and shred your rotisserie chicken? Place the chicken in a large Ziploc bag, seal it, and shake vigorously for a minute or 2. The shaking action helps separate the meat from the bones, making it easy to pick out the pieces. This method is quick, mess-free, and ensures you get the most meat off the bones. Once separated, you can use the shredded chicken for various recipes like salads, soups, and sandwiches. Use boiled rice for a face mask. Try using boiled rice for a nourishing face mask. After cooking rice, save a small portion and mash it into a smooth paste while it's still warm. Let it cool slightly. Then apply the paste evenly to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. The rice starches help to hydrate and soothe your skin, leaving it soft and refreshed. Homemade foot scrub. Pamper your feet with a homemade foot scrub. Mix 1 cup of granulated sugar with half a cup of coconut oil or olive oil until well combined. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Massage the scrub onto your feet, focusing on rough areas like heels and soles. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. This homemade foot scrub exfoliates dead skin cells and moisturizes your feet, leaving them soft and smooth. Use it regularly to keep your feet in top condition. Egg whites to clear cloudy wine. Did you know that egg whites can help clear cloudy wine? This traditional fining method uses the proteins in egg whites to bind with impurities and settle them at the bottom of the bottle. Start by beating an egg white until slightly frothy. Mix it with a small amount of water or wine, then add the mixture to your cloudy wine. Gently stir and let the wine sit for a few days. The egg white will attract and trap the particles, clarifying the wine. Carefully decant the wine to separate it from the sediment, resulting in a clear, refined drink. Applesauce as an egg substitute. Do you badly need an egg substitute for baking? Use applesauce. Replace each egg in your recipe with 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. This works well in cakes, muffins, and quick breads, adding moisture and a hint of sweetness. Applesauce helps bind ingredients together just like eggs, making it a suitable replacement for those with egg allergies or dietary restrictions. This simple swap ensures your baked goods stay delicious and moist without using eggs. Use a piece of tape to secure bracelets while putting them on. Have you ever struggled to put on a bracelet by yourself? Use a piece of tape to hold one end in place. Secure one end of the bracelet to your wrist with a small piece of tape, leaving the other end free to clasp. This stabilizes the bracelet, making it easier to fasten the clasp with your other hand. Once the bracelet is secured, gently remove the tape. Flour for small grease fires. Do you need a quick solution for grease fires? Use flour to smother the flames. If a small grease fire starts on your stove, turn off the heat and carefully sprinkle a generous amount of flour over the fire. The flour will absorb the grease and extinguish the flames by cutting off the oxygen supply. Never use water on a grease fire, as it can cause the fire to spread. Keep a container of flour handy in your kitchen for emergencies, providing a safe and effective way to handle unexpected grease fires. Use sponges as ice packs. Are you looking for a versatile and reusable ice pack? Use sponges. Soak a sponge in water, then place it in a resealable plastic bag and freeze. The sponge will freeze solid, creating an effective ice pack. When the ice melts, the sponge will absorb the water, preventing leaks. Simply refreeze the sponge after each use for a convenient and cost-effective solution. Charcoal for humidity control. Control humidity in small spaces with charcoal. Place a few pieces of charcoal in a breathable bag or container, such as a mesh bag or a small bowl. The charcoal absorbs excess moisture from the air, helping to reduce humidity and prevent mold and mildew. This method is ideal for use in closets, drawers, and other enclosed spaces. Replace the charcoal every few months to maintain its effectiveness. Using charcoal is a natural and inexpensive way to keep your home dry and comfortable. Roll grapes between dish towels to remove stems quickly. Are you in need of a faster way to remove grape stems? Roll grapes between 2 dish towels. Place a layer of grapes on a clean dish towel, then cover them with another towel. Gently roll the towels back and forth with your hands as if you're using a rolling pin. The friction will loosen the stems from the grapes, making them easy to pick out. This method saves time and effort, especially when preparing large quantities of grapes for snacks, salads, or recipes. It's a simple and efficient way to de-stem grapes without the hassle. Use pink stuff to remove silverware marks from white dishes. Have you noticed unsightly silverware marks on your white dishes? Use pink stuff cleaning paste to remove them effortlessly. Apply a small amount of the paste to a damp cloth or sponge and gently rub the marked areas. The mild abrasive in the pink stuff lifts the marks without scratching the surface. Rinse the dishes thoroughly with water to remove any residue. Make your own magic erasers. Did you know that you can make your own magic erasers at home? Purchase melamine sponges and enhance their cleaning power by soaking them in a solution of baking soda and borax. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of borax with a cup of warm water. Soak the melamine sponges in this solution for a few hours. Once soaked, squeeze out the excess liquid and use the sponges to tackle tough stains and grime. This solution provides an inexpensive and effective alternative to commercial magic erasers. Aloe vera for burns. Aloe vera is an excellent natural remedy for burns. To use, cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel directly to the burn, spreading it evenly over the affected area. The gel provides a cooling sensation and helps soothe the skin, reducing pain and inflammation. Aloe vera also promotes healing and can prevent infection. For best results, reapply the gel several times a day until the burn heals. Pencil erasers for earring backs. Do you need a quick fix for lost earring backs? Use pencil erasers. Cut a small piece from a new, clean pencil eraser and push it onto the earring post. The rubber holds the earring securely in place, preventing it from falling out. This handy solution is perfect for emergencies and can be used temporarily until you find a proper replacement. Pencil erasers are readily available and provide a reliable, comfortable alternative to keep your earrings secure. Microwave a sponge to kill bacteria. Keep your kitchen sponges bacteria-free by microwaving them. Wet the sponge thoroughly with water and place it in the microwave. Heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes. The microwave's heat kills most bacteria and sanitizes the sponge. Be cautious when removing the sponge as it will be hot. Allow it to cool before using it again. Regularly, microwaving your sponges extends their lifespan and ensures they remain hygienic, making your kitchen cleaning routine more effective. Cinnamon to prevent mold. Did you know that cinnamon can help prevent mold growth? Sprinkle ground cinnamon in areas prone to mold, such as basements, bathrooms, and around windowsills. The natural antifungal properties of cinnamon inhibit mold spores from developing. For a more targeted approach, mix cinnamon essential oil with water in a spray bottle and apply it to mold-prone surfaces. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.